Alright, you guys, what is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Okay, so today's another cool product. I'm not a product channel, but I really do love car products. I mean, who doesn't? Just saying, just saying. Pretty much men, women, all over the world enjoy car products. Alright, so I'm just here to give you guys a little inside glimpse on a couple cool little things, and this just happens to be one of them. Just saying. This is Alright, so this is from Autoone, and it is a jump starter with an air compressor included. I don't know. It's very small, very lightweight. I feel like this is one of those things that you would keep in your car for one of those emergency situations, which always seem to happen more than we'd expect, right? I have a Jeep outside that is dead right now, so we're gonna be testing this out. I also have a Chevy pickup out front that is also dead. So, I mean, I'm a Chevy person. I'm thinking I might do the Chevy. We'll see. Should I do the Chevy? I have not opened this. This is still in its original plastics, you know. It says jump starter, air inflation, power bank, LED lighting. So power bank, I'm guessing you can charge your cell phone on this, which would be cool. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with a super high voltage power bank. I'm excited for this. We're just gonna tear into it. What can go wrong, right? Christmas is coming up. So excited. I usually don't get gifts, you know, but I give a lot of gifts to my children, and that is even more exciting. But this is kind of like a little Christmas. I get to open these things and be excited. So thank you guys for watching. I'll make this quick. Let's unbox this. All right, initial thought, very compact. It has a hard shell case, I can see. That is cool. Bam. Dang, okay, we got instructions, which is always step number one in my rule book. Find the instructions, just so you can like skim through and say, okay, I'm supposed to have that part, that part, that part. All right, so product features: engine start, power bank, LED light, air inflation for car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, and ball supplies. Anyway, all right, so this must be the connectors for the jump starter itself. We have an inflation tube. I've seen one of these work before. Pumping up some balls. Cool. Yep, kids can use that for their bicycle tires. All right, and then this must be the jump starter itself. This thing is heavy duty. It feels really nice. Woo! I found the LED light. All right, so it's got some like SOS type things going on here. All right. You know, emergency, that's always nice to have. So, there is a power button at the top. This button all the way over here is your flashlight button, and it has like a sun on it, you know, typically what you'd see for like light, you know. And then the M in the middle is, I don't know, because I forgot to look. Okay, so M stands for mode, and who would have guessed? And you just, you use that to switch in between modes, you know? Like, if you want to do the battery, or if you want to inflate a tire, two different things, two different modes, okay? The up and the down are air pressure set buttons, okay? So there's a positive and a negative there, plus and a minus, and those are for air inflation settings. As far as charging your phone with this bad boy, we are going to test this out right now. Because luckily they gave us a cable. You know, how convenient is that? But if you look right here, there's a Type-C port too, and a USB port. So you can charge it with the Type-C. I'm sure that's probably like an input, and then output, you can charge your phone and stuff with the output. Okay, so we turn this on. It says hold the power button, and then we put this in here. Bam. I don't know if you guys saw that. It was real fast. It was real fast. Okay, ready? Bam. Did you catch it? Did you catch it? I don't know. But it works. Okay, cool. And we'll just leave this here for a second, see if it turns off. But we're gonna test out a few other things. I'm gonna try and jumpstart one of my dead cars, and then we're gonna pump up a ball or something. We got to. You know, you can't just not test that mode. Like, you gotta test all the modes. All the modes have to be functioning properly. Okay, guys. So, we put it in the hole. We plug it in. Okay. Daddy. I currently already have one of these Duralast starter / chargers, but as you can see, it's pretty bulky and it needs to be plugged into the wall. So that doesn't really help when, you know, you're traveling or you're just in a bind on the side of the road. And it doesn't even inflate things. Like, what the heck? Alright. I got bull. There's no better way to test. Gotta be fast. Alright, there's no better way to test this out than actually test it out. We got the old American flag football, which is definitely lacking in the air department. So we're gonna pump it up. Let's see how well it works. You gotta hold it. Okay. Now it's power. This goes in the pump slot. Tiny bag of fittings, different nozzles, needle, the needle one for the balls. You can see it is definitely lacking air, so let's do this. Holy cow, that was fast. That was really fast. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Darn it. Darn it, I did that wrong. It's flat again. Okay. Okay. I know that I know how to do this. Like, something's wrong. Okay, so. Okay. There we go. I shouldn't have unlatched that, because then that just came out. But if you don't unlatch it, then it doesn't come out. Okay. That makes sense. But bam. That was fast. Impressive. Very impressive. So air inflation, check. Works great. And I could use this to blow up balloons. I was just thinking that. Because I do a lot of like parties, you know, kids parties. I have to sit there for hours blowing up balloons. This is something you could use that for. Alright, let's go jump start a car. I've got the jump starter, and we have today the truck. It's a 1994 Chevy Silverado, and it is covered up, so I guess that is task number 1, uncovering the truck, and then, yeah, we'll get to jump starting it. Woo! She's Old Faithful. This truck is just pristine. Look at the mileage, you guys. Look at the mileage. Yeah. It just smells like a new truck still. Oh yeah. There's nothing. Okay. So this needs to be plugged into here first. Alright. Right. So there's a square and there's a circle. Well, it's not really a square, but it has a squared edge, you know? So just match it up. It's like one of those children's puzzles. It's flashing green, which means she's ready to go. So. Now it's blinking. Now it's red. Okay. Bright red with a beep. Jump starter power is too low. Reverse polarity connection. That's not right. The red and black clamps are short-circuited. You know, I'm gonna go with option A. The jump starter power is low. We've given it some time to charge, and it now has the full 4 bars, fully charged, ready to see if it'll handle this truck. Or maybe the battery is just way too drained. I don't know. I might have to go test it on the Jeep. But either way, we're gonna try this again and see if we can get it going. Alright, so plan B. The Chevy did not work out. I think the battery is just way too drained. I don't know, but we're gonna see if it was just the battery or if it's this thing. I mean, I want to give you guys an honest review, so I have another dead car here, which I'm pretty sure is dead. I actually haven't even really checked yet. But, oh yeah. She did. So, yeah. I don't know what the heck I did wrong there, but let's see if it was me or if it's the battery or if it's this thing. I don't freaking know. Alright, I'm not sure what the clicky green means, but it's better than the beepy red. So. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear that noise, but the noise just turned everything on in here. Dude. Bam. We got it. And now it said to remove this from the actual base and then take the cables off. Alright, we just finished all of our testing for the Autoone jump starter / air compressor, and you know, for its tiny little size, man, this thing is awesome. It charged my phone really fast, it aired up the balls we needed to air up, it jump started the Jeep, and it has 4 bars still, so that's pretty freaking cool. I love the case that it comes in, and I would recommend it. It is a very survival / you know, just have it just in case type of product. And, you know, if you guys are wanting to pick one of these up, you can go ahead and use the discount code KARZ, K-A-R-Z, and get 15% off. My little gift to you guys. Yeah, it's a nifty little product. I definitely am going to keep it in my car. And, you know, maybe some of you fellows want to get it for your wife so she doesn't have to go around asking random dudes for a jump. You know what I mean? Good product. Go check them out. Autoone. I'll put the link in my description. You guys rock. Thanks for checking out this product with me. I'll be right back in a couple days. I got some painting. We're gonna get painting in the new booth. We're gonna get welding on the El Camino because I got a new welding mask. There's just so much new stuff. I can't wait to get rocking. This next month is gonna be killer.